Today's video is regarding HP DeskJet 2755e printer. I'm going to show you how to replace the ink cartridges. Now first step is to switch on the printer, and once your printer is on, we open the front door. So this will be little bit hard, so we open it with the pressure, and there is another door behind it. So this is the ink cartridge chamber door. Wait for the ink cartridge chamber to come in the middle. Now press the ink cartridge down and take it out. And to reinstall the new ink cartridge, simply place the black in the black side and the color in the color side. So place it here and slide it in, and place the black ink cartridge here and slide it in. Now close the ink cartridge chamber door. Go to the control panel. Here you can see the ink cartridge markings are available. So this way we can install the ink cartridges. Thanks for watching.